It doesn't matter.
Yeah. That's why we wouldn't load it all the way down because we were making too good. Okay. Well, let me know what you find out. I'll call Home Depot, find out about the truck.
Stop it.
Yeah, a buddy of mine I called to talk to him. Who I do business with. I said, yeah, you know anybody might buy some wood? He's all, maybe, I mean, how much? I said, well, if I don't have to drive it very far, you know, we can get $250 for it. You know?
Yo.
So let me know. He's like, alright, well, I'll call right now. Because, you know, that's more money.
When I fly again, we're gonna stop.
Well, let's see, check it out.
Okay, we're gonna have to do it. 3, 2, 1, go.